Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a foaming sugar scrub. This has the consistency of a creamy lotion. It is very gentle, but yet very effective for removing dead skin cells. So let's go ahead and get started. So to begin making this foaming sugar scrub, the first ingredient I am using is going to be distilled water. Distilled water in this formula will help not only to dissolve the sugar faster when it is applied to the skin, but it will also give the skin some much needed hydration. Because I want this formula to be very moisturizing, I'm adding my second ingredient, glycerin. Glycerin will help to attract moisture to the skin. Once the glycerin has been added, I'm stirring both the water and glycerin together. I just want to make sure that I am combining the two nicely before adding my next ingredient. Now that I'm done stirring, I'll be adding my surfactant. The one that I'll be using today is sodium methylcocoa tartrate. This is a very gentle surfactant, and it will leave the skin feeling nice and soft. Before I continue to add any other ingredients, I'm just going to go ahead and stir this and break down this lump of my surfactant. I want to make sure that I don't have anything chunky or lumpy in my sugar scrub. And then once I've broken everything down, it will leave behind a gel-like texture. To keep any bacteria or mold from growing in my sugar scrub, I'm adding Liquid Germal Plus. This is a broad spectrum preservative, and I find it very easy to incorporate into formulas. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some bergamot essential oil. This is anti-inflammatory, antiseptic. It will help to balance the skin's sebum production, and it will also leave this refreshing citrusy scent to the sugar scrub. So now I'm stirring this. I want to make sure that all those new ingredients that I just added are evenly distributed throughout the scrub. It's now time to go ahead and add the sugar to the rest of the ingredients. Sugar is a great exfoliant. It not only will remove dead skin cells, but it will also help to remove any dirt or grime from the skin. It will leave the skin feeling nice and radiant. I'm now going to go ahead and add a little color to my scrub. I am using this purple liquid colorant. And one thing I've noticed over the years is it's best to just add a little at a time, because you can always add more if you need to, but you definitely can't take it out if you use too much. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my foaming sugar scrub into my jar here. This formula makes exactly 4 ounces, and I did want to go over that this sugar scrub is made for the body, not for the face. And that is because sugar tends to be too rough of an exfoliant for the delicate skin that you find on your face. Here's how to use this foaming sugar scrub. You're going to apply it to your skin and gently rub it in, and then just using some water, pour the water over the scrub itself, and that will help to create that nice lather from the surfactant that was added. This particular formula can be used up to 2 times a week. Here's the formula along with some substitutions. The main ingredient, which was the surfactant, the sodium methylcocoa tartrate, unfortunately, there is no substitute in this particular formula. Now, if you do not have glycerin, you could simply add more distilled water in place of. And with any broad spectrum preservative, you could use that instead of the Liquid Germal Plus. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.